Hey guys, Arun from GadgetGuruBN.com. Today we'll be unboxing the 10RE budget Android smartphone. Let's dive in. Taking the box out, you can see the price quoted here is 9,999, but during offers it sells for 6,999. I'll have the link of Amazon so that you can check it out. Inside the box you find the phone itself, quick start guide and warranty stuff, USB cable for charging and the 2 amp charger itself. Well, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more other videos of this device coming your way. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, comment and share to show your support. You can also follow up on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and Instagram, all links in the description. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on bell notifications to stay notified and stay awesome.